Did you know we are turning TikTok into our personal ATM by using ChatGPT-powered latest Sora-like video maker software? Yes, I'm talking about $330 a day dominating TikTok with the easiest AI video maker ever. We just plug our affiliate links into ProfitSpark and watch it create pro-level short videos, publish them to TikTok, and get millions of visitors. It's using next-level algorithm hacking to get TikTok to promote you and literally pay you to help them nuke Instagram and Facebook Reels. And the best part? There's zero video creation required. ChatGPT and our Sora-like AI do all the work for you. It even comes with commercial license so you can sell videos to other people. Introducing ProfitSpark. It's the only video creator and publisher that combines TikTok and AI like never before. You see, all the traffic is now going to short videos. That's TikTok plain and simple. They're pulling 5 trillion views a month. Only problem? No existing video makers leverage ChatGPT AI video creation and TikTok yet. So, you're stuck making the videos yourself and posting them manually. Listen, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook already sounded the alarm to the AI wars. It's happening. And TikTok is pouring billions into their own chat to help them fight Instagram Reels and YouTube. That's where ProfitSpark comes in. It's the easiest video maker out there. Takes seconds to output hundreds of unique TikTok shorts and does it all with AI. Making TikTok in love with this new tech. They can't stop promoting it. Here's how it works. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface. Step 2. Insert your keyword and let ProfitSpark's ChatGPT-powered AI auto-curate, clone, cut, and publish your short video. Step 3. One click sends it to TikTok, schedule, queue, or post. With control for multiple accounts, built-in video library and editor, and, my personal fave, a built-in affiliate link shortener so you can drop your affiliate links right inside your TikTok posts. There's no video creation required, and traffic comes by the millions. With OpenAI integrated and working in other languages, TikTok is literally rolling out the red carpet for you. They're paying you to help them nuke Instagram Reels. ProfitSpark is the ultimate video creator and publisher. It's fully in the cloud. It's simple to use, and it lets you do everything you could dream of. And that's because commercial license is included right into ProfitSpark. That means you can use it for yourself, but also start a thriving passive business by creating and editing videos for others, and letting the software do the work for you. ProfitSpark is the next big step in video marketing. The only problem? The limited release discount price is only available for the next few hours. So, go ahead right now and secure your copy today. Join this revolution with us.